decide what image that you want to put out there. You know, that's up to you, but I would take an image and always give out something of value. You know, that is, I think those are the stronger image to put out. Am I giving you something of value? You know, that's for us to decide and what we want to do with the tools that we have. Now, ChatGPT, you have my screen, and I have something called Whisper Flow. So I can just talk to the computer. I don't have to type. I'm not a fast typer. I can just talk to the computer and tell it what I want. And I use regular language. Right now we are making a video, and I want you to pull up the code reference 120.11. And I want the maximum load. That's what it is, 120.11 maximum. Pull that up